Let's start a Arduino based project. So here we are having the software, and first let's take one Arduino board. Okay, then one breadboard. Okay, so what we want here, that we want servo motor should be controlled by this servo motor should be controlled by the potentiometer. Okay, so for this one we are making a circuit, and we will simulate, and we will see that how it can be done here using this software. So what we are doing here, first thing, let's take here this one. Okay, so generally potentiometer is of 1000 kilo ohm. Okay, and after that, first thing we should do, that we should we should give power here from 5 volt, right? So it's a 5 volt, right? 5 volt. Let's make connection. So every in this line everywhere it will be positive. Make it red as the convention goes, and then we can make this ground. This ground here, ground, we can connect to this one. So let's make it black, right? Ground. And so here everywhere it's a, in this line it's a positive, and this one is ground. Now next step we are having, what we can do, uh, we can connect here this one terminal 1. See here, one terminal. So terminal 1, because here everywhere the same, we can select from here, right? So let's take here uh, and connect it to positive, right? And so let's make it red. Similarly, this one, connect it to black. Okay, so so this one is powered by Arduino, and now one more terminal is left. So this is called Viper. From here the signal will come, right? As we will move this one, different signal will be coming. So this is called Viper signal. So let's connect this signal to analog pin. See, these are all in analog. Let's connect to A0. Okay, now potentiometer circuit is complete, and it is powered by the Arduino. Now what we will do, we will have our, let's take this one, servo motor. So in servo motor we will see that we will connect the servo motor to Arduino. So let's see here, ground, it is saying ground, right? So it's a ground. So we will go from here and connect to ground, right? Make it black. Similarly, this signal, this one is power. This is power. So we will, this is power. Make it red. Now one more is left here, that is signal. So signal we will connect to Arduino, and it should be connected to digital pin. So let's connect to anyone we can connect. Let's connect to D7 here. digital 7. And color, it should be, we can choose any color, but for differentiating we can choose yellow. So our circuit is complete. Now what we will do, we will do coding. So for coding, this is already there because of the Arduino, you will get by default. So we will send it to recycle bin. So now let's start coding. So we'll start with variable input var, and output var, you can output variable, okay. So we have created two variables, and now we can set input variable to 0. It is given, but we can choose any one here. So we will start with the set input variable to what. So here we can choose here, because set input variable is nothing but A0, right? Because input variable put from potentiometer is coming is A0. So what we will do, input, and then red signal, red analog pin to A0. So input will be coming from here. Now again variable set input, here we will take output. Now when output will come, then what we will do, we will go to mapping, because here it is potentiometer, it is the value is different, and here it is different, so we have to make mapping, right? So what we will do, mapping from 0 to 180, because this is for servo meter, it rotates from 0 to 180. So mapping will be done here. From 0 to 180, but on the basis of what? So it is on the basis of input variable, right? Input variable. And then we will take, then we will finally, what we have to do, we have to output, right? So output, for our output should go here in servo motor. So in servo motor, see, this is for LED, all these things are here. It's a rotate servo. So see here, servo is here. So we will take rotate servo. To pin number for servo, pin number is, we have selected 7. So let's select 7. Okay, to degree. So it is the same thing. We want whatever the output from we are getting from here. So it is output variable. So it's a output. Okay. So now let's start simulation. If we can see, we can go from 0 to 180, right? So in this way we can control the servo motor with the help of potentiometer. Okay, see, so all the connections is very easy. First, what we have done, we have taken a Arduino board, breadboard, then we have done positive to here, is positive, and negative to negative here. After that, what we have done, we have taken a potentiometer, and we have done like power positive, negative, and then we have through wiper we have connected to an analog pin A0. After that, what we have done, whatever the here input is coming, so we are taking it to servo motor, and servo motor is again is having 3 pins. This is pin number, this pin is ground, positive, power, and then signal. So this signal we can connect to any digital pin. So here we have connected to, in this case we have connected to digital pin 7. And after that we have done some coding, very simple coding, and then we have started the simulation, and we have seen that we are controlling this one. This is very good practical application. So we can control here this motor.